In our company, it's that team effort that gives everyone an experience they want to share. We try to go the extra distance every time. And now our efforts have been repaid with this fantastic 5-star review. This is one of our favorite reviews. We really take every effort to make lasting impressions for each and every individual. And it's great to see that our hard work is paying off. But don't take their word for it. We're confident you'll love our exceptional service and attention to detail that have become our specialty. Thanks for stopping by and watching our video. You can contact us anytime at the number on your screen. We hope to hear from you soon.